Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make $77 per day on T2X Staking. Okay, so T2X is a cryptocurrency. It's a token on the Tron network, and you can stake this token and get dividends. So I'm going to show a little bit how it works. If you want to see in depth how it works, check out my previous video that has a way better explanation. So every day there's an auction lobby and people will enter this lobby to get the T2X tokens. So you can see there's 1,016,000 TRX entering this lobby right now. And this will continue to build up throughout the day until the auction finishes at 8 p.m. Eastern time. To enter the auction, you would just click enter, type in the amount of TRX you want to enter with, and enter the auction. After the auction ends, there's going to be a collect button right here, and you can collect your T2X. Once you collect your T2X, you want to come over to the staking screen. It will show your T2X balance right here, and then you can stake this. So I could type in 7410 days to stake. 10 days, they usually do 10 days. You're gonna get 2 bonus days for 10 days. And then you would click stake and you'd be good to go. It'd be added to my active stakes right here. So these are all of my active stakes. You can see the amount of T2X I'm staking on all of these right here. And you can see the dividends that I'm getting. So these dividends will grow every single day when the auction lobby ends. 95% of that TRX is sent to the people that are staking their T2X. So I'm getting TRX dividends. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. We'll just use this one as an average for an example. So I'm staking 24,000 T2X on this one, and I got 130 TRX on the first day of the stake. So let's open up a calculator here. So overall, I have 475,000 T2X about that are staking, and we want to divide that by 24,000 for this specific example. That's going to give us 19.79. So then we can just take this TRX amount, 130 times 130 equals 2,572 TRX daily. So we'll just say 2,500. 2,500 and 1 TRX is about 3 cents. So times 0.03 equals $75 per day. It's gonna be in this range. It's gonna maybe be higher, be lower a little bit. These auction lobbies vary, but this is about what you're gonna be making per day. And you can come over to Just Swap to verify that. You know, people are gonna be skeptical that it's in TRX and not US dollars. So if you want US dollars, you can just use USDT. It's the tether to the US dollar. Type in 2,500. You could swap that right now for $71. You can get the $75 rate if you want to wait on a normal exchange. But if you just want to quick swap this, $71 is what you're going to get in USDT. So I've invested 123,500 TRX into this times 0.03 equals $3,705. So I've invested about $3,700 into this, and we'll do $75 divided by 37, I don't know, about 3,700 equals 0.02. So I'm making about 2% daily return using T2X staking right now. I should also point out that you get your original investment back. You know, when these stakes end, I'm getting the 50,000 T2X back, and I can restake that or I can sell that. So I'm not losing my original $3,700 unless this platform completely flops, completely goes away. But the auction lobbies have been pretty smooth, consistently going up. So I don't see this thing just collapsing. It's gonna make gradual changes if it does do anything. You can come to dividends here. This will give a chart all time. So you can see at the beginning, kind of went crazy. People didn't know what to expect. Kind of found a bottom here. Now it's been slowly climbing a little bit. This is just low because it builds up throughout the day. So it's been steady or increasing at least for about a couple months now. So that's looking good in my opinion. I don't see this going anywhere. Even if the lobbies do come back down to 500,000, it's gonna be like 0.5% daily or 1% daily or something like that. That ROI is just too good. So it's not gonna go that low, I don't think. People are still gonna be like, oh dang, this is cheap. I can just enter this and get 1% daily. All right, so that's my thoughts on it. Really happy with the earnings here right now. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. away.